Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Rossi Glam Dip Powder Kit. This is one of their trial kits and I'm going to be showing you guys what comes inside the package. So first things first, you get a $10 coupon with every order, so that's really nice of them. You also get an instruction booklet that shows you step by step on how to prep your nails for dip powder application and how to apply it to your nails. So that's really good, especially for beginners, I think. And this kit comes with 4 different colors. The names are Snow White, Honeymoon, Pink Mood, and Sweetheart. They're all half-ounce jars, so they're a pretty decent size compared to most brands that give you those really little tiny jars that I hate. Like, how do they even expect you to fit anything in those? But yeah, these are a pretty good size compared to most. And you also do get a 15 milliliter base coat, top coat, and activator. None of these require a UV lamp, so that's good as well. This kit is, I believe, $34.99 on their website. I'll make sure I link everything down below in the description box. I also do have a discount code for you guys, which is Stay Polished for 20% off. But just keep in mind, I did receive an email from them. I guess they're having some delays in shipping because they're manufactured in China, even though they're formulated in the US. So as you guys know, with the coronavirus and stuff like that, there's been a lot of shipping delays. It's pretty much like that for everywhere now, especially if you're ordering from Born Pretty, Beauty Big Bang, AliExpress, and stuff like that. So I think they will be giving everyone another extra coupon for that reason to make up for it. So just keep that in mind if you do decide to order from them. This kit also does come with brush savers and lip-free wipes. I just wanted to mention that. Sometimes when you're doing dip powder, your brush can get kind of gunked up. So I went ahead and did some swatches off camera to show you guys really quick before I do the tutorial. I didn't want to waste too much time doing the swatches in the video because with dip powder it takes quite a while, so I didn't want the video to end up too long. But this is what they look like with 2 layers of powder and 2 layers of top coat. The top coat is really shiny. It almost looks like gel to me. And all the colors are really, really pretty. The one that I'm using in this video will be the Pink Mood. The only thing I noticed about that color is it kind of like marbles a little bit. Like when you put it on the nail, it kind of looks darker, but then when you file it, I don't know, it turns lighter in some spots. I'm not really sure why it does that. These aren't the only colors they have though. They do have a lot of other colors on their website, so I'll make sure to link the website as well in the description box. I know they have some bright colors that I've seen, though they looked really pretty. But yeah, when you do dip powder, you're going to want to start with some clear. This kit didn't come with clear, so I'm using my own. I just use Mia Secret clear acrylic. Dip powder is acrylic anyway, it's just a little bit thinner. But I do this, I apply the base to half of the nail first and then dip my finger into the clear, and then I wait a minute before I dust the nail off and go in with another layer on the entire nail and dip it into the clear. And this is going to help build somewhat of an apex before you go in with your color. So after you dip your nail, you just want to tap the excess off and then wait a minute before you brush the rest of it off, because if you don't, the nail is still wet and you'll end up getting indentations and it will mess up. Now I'm going in with the pink mood color. I'm applying the base coat to the entire nail, and I'm going to dip my nail halfway into the jar since my nails are kind of long and they don't fit all the way into the jar. Then I'll be using a clean cuticle pusher to apply the rest of the powder, and I just tap off the excess and wait a minute before I dust the nail off like I said before, so that everything's dry. And you want to be very careful when you're applying the base coat, because wherever you're putting that base coat is where the powder is going to go. It's like the glue for the powder to stick to your nail. So if you get that base coat on your cuticle, you're going to get powder stuck on your cuticle. So you want to be very careful and take your time, but don't wait too long before you dip your nail into the powder, because then the base coat will end up drying and the powder won't stick to your nail. And for every 3 layers, you're going to want to go in with the activator, and what the activator is going to do is harden the powder so that you can file it or just move on to the next. You don't want to just keep layering and layering with dip powder, because if you do that, it's not going to dry all the way through and it's going to be like gummy on the inside. Okay, so this is where I'm going in with the activator. You're going to want to saturate the entire nail. Make sure you get every part of the nail so that this can harden the product. I'm going to be going in with my buffer after this, because since I had to dip my nail halfway into the powder and scoop the rest on, it created like an indentation mark, and I didn't want to layer more powder on top of that because I was afraid that the line was going to stay there. I guess I could have used the cuticle pusher to apply all of the powder instead of dipping my nail halfway into the powder, but I just really did not want to make a mess because it gets really messy when you do that. So I don't know, I just ended up doing it this way, but you could do it the other way. Just take the cuticle pusher and apply the powder to the nail like that. Whatever way works best for you. So after I do this, I'm going to go in with 2 more layers of the pink mood color, and then I'll be going in with the activator. Alright, so I file shaped and buffed the nails off camera to save time in the video, and as you can see, they turned out lighter than when I first applied the powder. I'm not really sure why it does that, but I still like the color. So I'm going in with this Macart foil gel and I'm applying it to all of the nails. I'll be curing this layer for 60 seconds, and after I take my hand out of the lamp, I'm going to wait 30 seconds so that the nails become tacky so I can apply my transfer foils. I have these butterfly transfer foils that I got from my local beauty supply store. I got these when I told you guys I went there and got like a whole bunch of foils. This was one of the ones that I picked up. It's so pretty. I've never seen one with all these different color butterflies like this before. And I thought it would be perfect for spring, since spring is like literally right around the corner. So yeah, I'm just sticking them on the nail and rubbing them to make sure that they're flat. And once I'm done doing that, I just remove the backing. And I will be applying some stones in between the butterflies with Poochie's Bling Gel and Gel Top Coat. The reason I'm using that is because that's what I use to apply my stones so that they don't fall off. So I won't be using the top coat that comes with the kit because of that. It requires me to cure my nails in the lamp. First you apply the bling gel, then the top gel, then the stones, and then you cure them in your lamp. So I wasn't able to use that top coat that came with the kit, even though it is really nice. You guys seen that on the swatches. But yeah, that is about it for this set. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, if you like these nails or not, and make sure you leave me a like. I really appreciate it. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I've been seeing a lot of the same names in the comments, and that's so sweet. I just wanted to thank you guys for taking the time to watch my videos. And yeah, if you're not new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at StayPolished91. I'll see you guys in my next video.